Hello everyone and a very good evening. I am Shubham and our today's aim is to have a brief overview on the searching and sorting techniques used in the Java programming language. Searching is one of the most basic operations performed in various business applications. It involves fetching the data from the data structures like arrays, lists, maps, etc. More often than not, this searching operation determines the responsiveness of the application for the end user. The most widely used searching algorithms are the linear search and the binary search. Linear search or the sequential search includes searching of an element sequentially until either the element is found or the end of the data structure is reached. As more time is required for by this method, it is rarely used in various business applications. Second is the binary search. The binary search or logarithmic search is one of the most popular searching techniques used. The most important prerequisite before performing binary search is that the elements present in the array or the data structure must be in the sorted form. It works on the methodology of divide and rule. The given sorted array is first divided into the two equal subarrays. The first half runs from the start index to the middle index, whereas the later half runs from the index middle plus 1 to the end index. The main mechanism or the main aim of the binary search is to compare the middle element with the key element. If the middle element is found which is equal to the key element, then the search terminates, or else the search continues by further dividing and selecting the appropriate partition based on the fact whether the key element is greater than or less than the middle element. Now, speaking about sorting, often in the programming world, we encounter with problems which require handling of multiple data of same type. Usually, arrays are used to store this data. Arranging the elements of the array in a specific order helps in optimizing the solution of the problem in a time-efficient manner. Thus, making the elements of an array in order is termed as sorting. Sorting is a class of algorithm which is tasked to arrange the elements of an array either in an ascending or a descending manner. The various types of sorting techniques which are most commonly used are as follows. First, merge sorting. The merge sorting works on the methodology of divide and rule. The two functions which are used to perform these actions are merge sort function and the merge function. The merge sort function calculates the middle index of the given array and then further divides it into the two equal subarrays. The first half runs from the first index to the middle index, whereas the second half runs from middle plus 1 index to the last index. Once this partition is performed, it automatically calls the merge function. The merge function actually performs the sorting operation. It carries out segmentation of the subarray until and unless a fragment of only two elements is achieved. These two elements in the fragment are then sorted, and after that the whole fragments are then combined to form a longer subarray. After this is carried out, it eventually calls the merge sort function, which will then combine the two subarrays to form a sorted array. The merge sort method is most widely used as it is time efficient. Second is the insertion sort. In insertion sort, a random element is selected as a key element by the user. If the element is if the previous element is less as compared to the key element, then the key element is shifted to its appropriate index. Third is the selection sort. In selection sort, the two loops are used. The inner loop finds the minimum or the maximum element from the array, whereas and then it is shifted to its appropriate index, which is uh, which is pointed out by the outer loop. This is pointed out by outer loop. The selection sort is also most widely used in the Python programming language. And last is the bubble sort. The bubble sort carries multiple swaps. In bubble sort, the element and the adjacent element form a bubble. These are the elements in these bubbles are sorted, and this swapping continues until the end of the data structure is reached. So this sums up our brief review on the searching and sorting techniques used in the Java programming language. Thank you.